What's up guys, and welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, just like we discussed in the previous video, now this strategy is very tricky, and trust me, you are going to make a lot of money here. So but just pay a very close attention. So I'm gonna split this tutorial into two. I'm going to make the first one and also the second one, so that we are not going to mix things together for also easy understanding and more explanation. So now let me first introduce you to let me first make the explanation how this strategy work. So on my dashboard on the screen now, all we are seeing is our CoinMarketCap. So you can make a lot of many different platforms using this, searching for this opportunity. So but firstly, we have to take you. I'm going to share all the links on. I'm going to be showing you here. I'm going to put it on the video description so that you are going to watch over it before I release the next video. So now this is my coin market cap, and every information you needed on every coin or token is all here on coin market cap. So now our main interest here is we are coming back to where it's saying all crypto. Once you just navigate, you can use your phone app or you can also use the web, but I prefer using the web, and that is why I'm using the system now. So now firstly, let me take you to this crypto rank so that the explanation will be more clear. So I believe we all understand this website, this crypto rank, that I used to make a lot of video about it on IDO and ICO, all this launchpad, right? So now this is how it work. You see all this IDO, ICO, they are all these airdrop that we buy early before it's been listed on any platform or exchanges. So now by the time you buy a token from IDO or ICO, remember not all projects are being given 100%. Sometimes they will tell you they are going to give you like a 70% or 30% after a month later, or after 2 months later, or 6 months later. In fact, some projects will even delay you to give you even after 1 year. So that is how this strategy is going to work, and we are going to take advantage of that delay to make our money here. We are not going to buy any project here, and we are going to make our money. So now you see this IDO, as they are delaying the IDO, some people are actually lock up some of the tokens, right? Those tokens that are being released sometimes, like let me give you one more clear example so that you understand better. You see, during the time we were mining pi, we some of us made a mistake, because I can say that is a mistake to me. I don't know your view. Some of us made a mistake to lock it 10 years or 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 2 weeks, something like that. And during the time pi was listed, it was listed around $2.993. Even on the crypto Wex, it was listed above even $3. And now the price of pi is just below 0.3, around 0.3.5, something like that. So now, as at the moment, if you have mined and you have locked it, you'll be expecting the price to boom before some. But this problem is just from PICO team. It's not the pioneers. So now all the people that lock up their pi, anytime they release the pi due to the fact that the project has disappointed the users, so they tend to sell off their token just to cash out, because they have already waited, they have been patient for a very long time. So they just have to sell off their pi token. Now let me give you one example again. The recently one, the bloom, we some of us all mine bloom. The bloom actually come to disappoint us as well by implementing vesting. And vesting is just to keep it for staking, just for you to lock it up. That is vesting, and they will be releasing gradually. Now, at the moment, the vesting periods elapse. Remember, if you go ahead and look at the price of the Bloom now, it has dropped drastically. At the moment, the vesting, those who vested elapse and they all want to cash out. Remember, once they unlock it, everybody is going to sell it. And that is exactly how we are going to take advantage of this opportunity. So now, this is crypto rank here. And if you come to crypto rank, you see coin tokens here, tokens unlock here. So these tokens unlock, let me click on it. So the reason why I say it's little tricky, and so it's I need to make two video about it, because for one, some projects we are going to be buying some projects we are only going to be looking for the feature of that project. If the project has feature, we are going to look for the feature. While some projects we are going to buy and hold once they release or before they release, which I'm going to make a very clear video about it. So now I am not asking you to go and buy, because if you made a mistake and buy any project and they want to release any token around that project, your money is going to crash patapata. This is just a clear truth. So like this token now, you see this is TGE unlock, and let me just take you to CoinMarketCap so that we start from there. You see this my CoinMarketCap here. Let me look for here. This down here, you see the crypto round, the tokens unlock here. Once you come here, the tokens unlock. Those are the tokens that the developer of the project locked for the investors. You and I, we are also investors because we have a project. Even one naira of your fund, if it's here, you are also part of the investors. So at the moment they release this token, the price is going to crash. The price is going to crash. Not all these tokens. Sometime when the project has a good huge community, the price is going to boom again, because some developers are waiting for them to unlock. They have a deep knowledge of this for them to unlock, so that they will buy and the price is going to pump. Why some are going to crash. So, and that is why I say it's little bit tricky, and I'm going to make a video in different places. So I just want to explain how it is here so that we are going to get it. Like this one now, this the second one now, you see they are going to, the next unlock date is on the in next 3 hours, 2 minutes, blah blah, something like that. Today they are going to unlock this, and look at what they are going to unlock. 42.49. Tell me, once they unlock this 42.49 and everybody, almost 90% of the investors sell it, tell me how the price is going to be. The price is surely is going to crash down. So, and that is why we are going to be tracking on this. So I have a lot of platform here that give you a very clear explanation on this, like this tokenomics. So, and it is very important for us to understand tokenomics as well. So I'm going to make another very clear explanation in case you want to, for those who are interested in making money from crypto. So the tokenomics is one of the most important if anytime you want to buy any project, because sometimes you will just buy a project to hold, you will just see it crash. You don't know what crash is. Some people will be claiming that maybe they rug pull them. No, this is not rug pull. This is just that they unlock some tokens along the way. Why? After they unlock it, it's people start selling massively, and you already bought, which you have no idea or the knowledge that the token is going to be unlocked. So it is very, very important for you as a cryptoner, if you want to invest in any token, make a very good research like DYO, do your own research to the extent that you should know how many tokens has been unlocked, how many is going to be unlocked, and how long will it take for it to be unlocked. This is one of the most very important for those of you who want to be buying token and hold. It is very important, and this This information is almost outside. You can get it anywhere. So those are, I'm going to share you some of the sites that you will be able to get. So in my next video, I'm going to explain everything about these sites and how you are going to get to know about. You can see all these tokens are going to be unlocked. Look at the dates here. Look at the dates here. So I'm going to share this site so that you guys will just, you can start doing your research pending till I release my own video. And if you have anything to say, you can surely reach out to me. So let me take you to the second site again. Let me refresh. So this is another site again, DropsTab. Although we have a lot of opportunity, we have a lot of activities going here. So as you can see, I'm already on talking blah blah. So you can just check it here and do, if you know any coin, you can just monitor that coin, pick it and monitor it. Look, wait for the time they are going to unlock the token and look at how the price is going to impact it. So let's go back to our crypto rank again. So this is our crypto rank. As you all know, we have a lot of information here. So um I'm going to post the video here, and by next tutorial we are going to start from the one which one we are going to buy and which one we are going to short, because we are going to be using feature which is perpetual to be shorting it, and it now depend on which exchange as well. This is, those information are very important. So I will want you to be very patient and keep calm pending till we make the next clarification and more explanation to it. So that is why I say I'm going to make the video two. The first one, which project we are going to be buying and hold. The second one, which project we are going to be short. Because sometimes if you made a mistake and buy a project and hold, it's going to be rug pull. This is not the developer, this is just the investors that have invested for a long time. They are ready to move out their money and the project is going to rug pull. So that is just all for now, and see you in my next video. If you have anything to say or you have any suggestion or you have any idea about this, you can reach out to me as well. Let's team up together and work together. So I'm making this video today, which is on the 9th of August. So, and I'm going to release it immediately because already I've promised and people have messaged me a lot. So see you in the next tutorial. Peace.